Gotcha, dummy!
What the noise? What are you doing here?
What's it look like? I'm having a show!
This whole time.
I was just down the road, yeah? But hey, this looks like a beautiful adaptation. And is it really up here for lyrics? If there's more dialogue than singing, we're live in 3, 2, 1! Welcome to TV Alive! Here with me, the host of noise. I got here a special guest. Black, white, ramen, pizza caress. Here's our voice you all know well. Favorite macros, pizza smell. It's the kind how got mastered. Maybe he should try a salad meal.
Sonido, I've been waiting for this.
What's the fate, jackass? We lost the crew. Now it's just us two. Let's not hold back. Here's my bomb attack. They go up, big shot. Oh, why you not? Right, you're gonna die! You don't know it's not anything! It's all only anything! Finish off with all that stuff! Take your ass and leave, that's how you jump through the heart or one way or another! This video, we're just I got a whole time, I gotta let you see. It's MTV After Dark! Here with me! Oh, the noise! Come on, tons of fun, let's go! I'll take you to the depths below! Mr. Gatto! Bastard! Hey! I'm all done! I'm just warming up! Here's 150 kilograms of your steak! Wait, I haven't done my ad read yet!